Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X80 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, hold the power key and then hold power off. This will bring up a window, reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK. And once the device reboots, it will go into the safe mode. And as you can see, we are now in safe mode. So in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function normally. And let's see if we have any apps that will not run. None that I can find. Normally, when you have apps that will not be able to run in this mode, they will be visible, I believe, on a home screen, but they will be grayed out. And when you try to open them up, it will give you a pop-up that downloaded apps won't run in this mode, or something along those lines. Now, this mode is strictly for like troubleshooting your device, and once you're done with it, you can leave this by holding the power key once more and selecting restart. Once the device reboots, it will go back to the normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.